everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining us. We're just going to do a quick walk today around the Riverwalk in Fort Lauderdale. It was a nice way to spend a couple hours in the morning. The Stranahan House was built in 1901. It's Fort Lauderdale's oldest surviving structure. Museum tickets are available starting at $12. It has served as a trading post, post office, and town hall. Riverboat sightseeing cruises go out 5 days a week. Tickets start at $25 for an adult. There are a lot of water fountains and art sculptures to see along the way. We were here, it was about 10:30 in the morning, so not everything was open yet, and it was very quiet, very peaceful. They offer gondola rides. For a 75-minute ride, it's $150. I loved all the little random artwork they had around the city. This is a little park that's located in the Riverwalk. It's got a 10-unit exercise station. Rivertail is a seafood restaurant. The Wharf offers live music every Thursday through Sunday. Here we're going to do just a really quick stroll down Las Olas Boulevard. There's lots of shopping and restaurants on this road. This was by far my favorite store. I loved all the unique stuff that you could find in here. There's a couple of options on this street for ice cream and gelato too. There's a Kilwins if you want ice cream, and then there's a cute little gelato shop. Everything in here looks so good. Thanks for joining us on our walk around Fort Lauderdale. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and join us on the rest of our adventures. See you around!